Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Real Will here with another futures video, and really just a trading video in general. Um, I dropped a video, like an hour ago on how I took a major loss again. What's crazy is it's like like I said in the video, it's like a roller coaster. I make 1,000, drop down 400, just trying to get to uh that profit target, right? With Top Step with 50K is 3,000. So I was at 2,300 something dollars, guys. And I get so excited about getting so close to where in my mind I'm like, I'm not paying no attention to details on a chart, right? I just see like, oh, I'm gonna just enter into a sale, or I'm gonna break my trading rule and not wait for an hour after opening at 6 p.m. Start trading at like 7 p.m. so I can see where the market is going, because we know Sundays the market is pretty much correcting itself from last week, and we will see that today because last week it was on sales, but now we are pulling back on buys. So I don't know if this week is going to be a bullish or bearish move. So this video right here, guys, is just to encourage you all who's trying to get funded, who is funded. Like I said, I was funded, in the Forex market 4 times. I had payouts, but I never, had consistent payouts due to lack of discipline, lack of consistency, and making trading boring, which means living a robotic type of trading lifestyle to where you do the exact same thing. You look for the exact same pair. If you don't see it, you don't enter. And I just want to encourage you in this video. I'm going to take you to the charts on what I see. So I think a lot of people, a lot of traders who we see on these podcasts that are making lots of money, who's, they're not really showing the losses. They showing a lot of their wins, a lot of their cards, and we get so excited about that because we feel like the market is our best friend. Well, the market hate us. Let's be honest. The market hate us. The banks want to take our money. Now, I'm not saying they're there to hit your stop loss and just go your direction. No, what I mean by that is we try to tell the market what to do, and the market's like, who are you? I'm the man. I tell myself what to do. So when we look at these gurus, we look at, these top traders and they showing their profits, we get excited knowing that there's no limit on what you can make depending on the capital that you're trading with. And that's why we trade prop firms. So transitioning from Forex to futures, it made a huge difference for me because I don't have to look at all these pairs. Well, I didn't have to look at all those pairs during that moment, but I can just stick with platinum. I can stick with Dow Jones. I can stick with those two products to help my trading if I don't see no setups. Boom. But what I'm trying to say is we get excited about the potential that this market has in our life to change our lives financially, to be able to travel, to be able to create other businesses. And when we get so close to that profit goal, that is when we lose. I saw a video and this guy said, so Instagram, he mentioned, let's stop focusing on how much we can make daily, $1,000 a day, $200 a day, and just stick to your trading plan, stick to your risk management, and control your emotions. And I think that is very vital, very crucial in becoming a successful trader. The moments I win most of my trades is when I'm patient, when I'm disciplined, and if I don't see a setup, I won't enter. So let me take you to the charts. Look at this beautiful trend line break, right? Like I showed y'all or in the last video, I lost trying to sell this area right here. I lost trying to sell this area. This area. I tried to sell this, right? And it came down. There was no zone. Like, yeah, you had this little support area, I guess, but that's not like very, very crucial. But so I didn't even think nothing of it. I'm thinking it would probably come down here, but I guess this area right here would have been an area. And this is where we make mistakes. This is where I made a mistake. I have to look at the whole market, guys. I got to analyze everything, right? We can't just say, let's look at the main support and resistance levels. For example, this area right here is a main one, right? Look at this, main. This area down here, a main one, right? Obvious, right? That's obvious. But who would have thought this area would be a key area? Now, I knew about this area because look, it came up, boom, bounced back down. So my mind is like, hey, this is a key area. But I didn't think this area will be a key area. And this is why it's so important that we get so excited about where we know the direction is going. But we get so excited and we jump in too early to where I should have analyzed this and said, hold on, let's mark up all the zones. And this is the zone. You see what I'm saying? Boom, boom. Now, this is a zone now. You see what I'm saying? Broke, passed, came back, retest. But look at this trend line, though. And I didn't have a trend line on there yesterday, right? I didn't have it on there. And I should have looked at all this. This is why I don't really like fibs no more. Like, fibs is just trash. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Fibs is... Because... Let me tell you why I don't like fibs, right? Fibs is not consistent. Because you can't tell me this is not a fib opportunity, right? A, B, but it didn't even come down to the 38. It shot straight up. You see what I'm saying? So this is why fibs are not... I will not be using fibs no more. And I lost because of the fibs. Let's be honest. There was two reasons I lost. Impatience and using this fib. Because I'm thinking to myself, this 38 is on this zone. But I'm forgetting about this zone. This zone right here, guys. This zone. Oh. This zone. That zone. How I forget about this? And look now. I regret hit my, and then look at the trend line. It broke the trend line at 2 a.m. Consolidated, came down at 9 a.m. to retest it. So I had another opportunity to say it's a buy, and I didn't because I blew my account already. So what I want to tell y'all is be patient, guys. Man, be patient. Don't let the excitement destroy your account, because it will. I'm a perfect example. So, I'm looking for buys. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm looking for buys the rest of this week. At least till, I don't know, but up to this level right here. So tonight, I am looking for a not retracement, but more of a pull back into this area for more buys. So that's what I'm looking at, more buys. It could drop back down to this area and pull back up. I don't know. But right now we're looking for more buys, and that's what we're going to get. We're going to see. I hate fibs, but we're going to see what happens, guys. So I just wanted to encourage you all to know that you can do it. You can make it. I don't know a title for this video. I just wanted to speak to you, let you know that you got this. All right. So, all right, y'all. Be blessed.